Namaste students. In this video, we'll see how to find HCF of 72 and 90 by prime factorization method. We know that prime factorization means expressing given number into product of prime numbers. Hence, I wrote here all the prime numbers less than 20 and we need to express these two given numbers into product of these primes. So let's begin with first number, that is number 72. We wrote number 72. We need to choose a prime numbers from these given primes. So first we know that this 72 is divisible by first prime, that is 2. We wrote number 2 here. 2 how many times 72 means we need to divide this 72 by 2 starting from highest place to lowest place. In highest place we have a 7. We know that nearest multiple of 7 is 6. So 2 how many times 6 means 2 3s are 3 I wrote. Now 7 minus 6 we got remainder as a 1. This remainder 1 and next digit is 2 forms the number 12. 2 how many times 12 means 2 6 ja 12. 6 ja I wrote 12 minus 12 0. Hence we got the quotient as 36. Now 36 is a composite number. Again further we will express this 36 into product of prime, that is again it is divisible by first prime, that is 2. We took 2. 2 how many times we need to find. So if we look at highest place we have a 3. Nearest multiple is 2, 2, that is 1 za I wrote 2 1 za 2. 3 minus 2 again we got remainder as 1. 1 and the 6 forms the number 16. Therefore 2 8 za 8 I wrote here 16. 16 minus 16 0. Hence we got a quotient as 18. 18 is again even number. It is divisible by first prime, that is 2. Again I wrote a 2. 2 how many times? 2 nines are we know directly. I wrote directly 2 nines are 18. Now 9 is a odd number. It's not divisible by first prime. Next prime is 3. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. Therefore again I took a 3. 3 how many times? 3 3s are 9. Once we get a prime we need to stop. Hence prime factors of 72 we got as 2 3 times. 3 we got one time here, one time here, that is total 2 times. That only I wrote. 72 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 3 times. 3 came 2 times, that is 2 in 3 into 3 2 times, that I wrote. So now we'll go for the next number, that is 90. We will find prime factors of a 90 with same method. 90 is an even number. It is divisible by 2. I wrote 2. 2 how many times means we don't know. We'll divide this 90 by 2 from highest place to lowest place. Highest place we have 9. Nearest multiple is 8. That is 2 4 ja 4 I wrote. 9 minus 8 we got remainder as 1. This 1 and 0 forms the number 10. 2 how many times 10 means 2 5s are 10. We wrote 5 here. Hence we got total quotient as 45. So next 45 is a composite number. This composite number is not divisible by first prime. So we skipped number 2. Next prime is 3. Is it divisible by 3? We need to apply divisibility test of a 3. Sum of a digits of 45 is 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. So hence we choose a number 3. It is divisible by 3. 3 how many times means again we will divide this 45 by 3 from highest place to lowest place. In highest place we have a 4. We know that 3 ones are 3. 1 I wrote here. 4 minus 3 again we got a remainder 1 here. 1 and 5 forms the number 15. 3 5s are 15. Hence we got total quotient as what? 15. So next 15 we know that it is again a composite number, choosing the prime so it's not divisible by 2, it's divisible by 3. 3 how many times means 3 5s are. Next is 5. We know that this 5 is a prime, we need to stop. Hence prime factors of 90 are 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So that only we need to write. We wrote 90, 2 into 1 time. 3 came 2 times, we wrote 2 times, and 5 came 1 time, 1 time I wrote. After this, to find HCF, first we need to find the common prime factors. We need to find first common prime factors, so that we'll choose. So that is 2 is a common, so that we chosen 1 time. So over. Next, this 2 is here, but here it is not there, so we skipped. One more 2 is here, but it is not here, we skipped. Now first only we have only 1 time 2, that only we wrote here. Next 3 is here, 1 time common here, 1 time common here, we chosen. Next one more 3 is here, one more 3 is here. So we got total 2 times this 3 as a common. So that only I am writing 3 how many times? 2 times at n here. But this 5 is not present, so we need to skip. Last, we need to find product of this all prime factors to get a HCF of 72 and 90. If we multiply 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 3, it is number 18. 18 is the HCF of 72 and 90.